Phrasal verbs for travel and transportation. Do you love traveling or do you often commute for work? If yes, then you need to know these essential phrasal verbs for travel and transportation. They'll help you sound natural and confident when talking about trips, flights, buses, and more. So, let's get started. Number 1. Phrasal verbs for airports and flights. Check in. To register at hotel or airport, we need to check in at the airport 2 hours before our flight. Take off. When a plane leaves the ground, our flight took off 30 minutes late due to bad weather. Touchdown. When a plane lands, the plane touched down smoothly in Paris. Get on and get off. To enter or leave a vehicle, train, or plane. We got on the plane just in time before departure. As soon as we landed, we got off and headed to immigration. See off. To say goodbye to someone at the airport or station. My friends came to the airport to see me off before my trip to London. Number 2. Phrasal verbs for public transport. Get in or get out of. To enter or exit a car or taxi. She got in the taxi and gave the driver the address. We got out of Uber when we reached the hotel. Hop on, hop off. To quickly get on or off a bus, train, or tram. We hopped on a city tour bus to explore the sights. The tourists hopped off at the next stop to visit the museum. Pick up. To collect someone from a place. I'll pick you up from the train station at 6 p.m. Drop off. To take someone to a place and leave them there. Can you drop me off at the bus stop? Number 3. Phrasal verbs for driving and road trips. Set off. To start a journey. We set off early in the morning to avoid traffic. Fill up. To refuel a vehicle. Let's fill up the car before we hit the road. Pull over. To stop a vehicle at the side of the road. The police asked him to pull over for speeding. Breakdown. When a vehicle stops working. Our car broke down in the middle of the highway. Speed up, slow down. To drive faster or slower. He sped up to overtake the truck. The traffic police signaled us to slow down. Number 4. Phrasal verbs for train and long journeys. Stopover. To have a short stay in a place before continuing. We had a stopover in Dubai before flying to Australia. Getaway. To go on vacation or escape from daily life. I just need to get away from work for a few days. Catch up with. To reach someone ahead of you. I ran to catch up with my friends at train station. Now you know 17 essential phrasal verbs for travel and transportation. These will help you communicate better while traveling, booking tickets, or navigating public transport. Try using them in real life. Comment below and let me know which phrasal verb was new for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.